Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Block Blast iPhone version on Android. So Block Blast has an official version available on the Google Play Store for Android devices, which provides essentially the same gameplay experience as the iPhone version. How to download it on Android? First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device, search for Block Blast using the search bar at the top of the screen, select the official app in the search results. The official developer for the prominent version is typically listed as Rensheng Da or Hungry Studio depending on the specific app variant. Tap install and the game will download and install on your device. And finally, open the app once installed and start playing. Downloading from the official Google Play Store is the safest and recommended method. Avoid unofficial sources like third-party APK websites, as these can pose security risks such as malware or corrupted files. If you were specifically referring to a unique version or feature exclusive to the iOS app that is not present in the standard Android version, you would generally be unable to get that exact version on Android through official means. However, the core game experience is readily available on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.